In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature field to a form in Smartsheet. Adding a signature option to your form is really helpful when you need people to confirm information, agree to terms, or formally approve something. While Smartsheet doesn't have a built-in draw your signature field, we can create a simple and effective workaround by letting users upload an image or file of their signature. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Smartsheet where you want to collect signatures. At the top of the sheet, look for the Forms option in the toolbar. Go ahead and click on Forms. This is where you create new forms or manage any forms that are already connected to your sheet. Once the Forms panel opens, choose the option to create a new form. Click on Create Form. Smartsheet will open a form builder window where you can design exactly what people will see and fill out. You'll notice a preview of the form on one side and a list of available fields and settings on the other. Now we're going to add the signature field itself. In the list of field types, look for File Upload. This field type allows respondents to attach files when they submit the form. Click on File Upload to add it to your form. You should now see a new field appear in the form preview. Next, we want to make it clear that this upload is specifically for signatures. Click into the label area for that new field and type in Signature. You can also add a helpful description such as please upload a photo or scanned copy of your signature to reduce confusion and make sure users know exactly what to do. If signatures are required for your process, you may want to make this field mandatory. In the field settings for the signature upload, turn on the option that makes the field required so the form cannot be submitted without a signature file attached. This is especially important for approvals, agreements, or any formal confirmations. Once you're happy with how the signature field looks, review your form, adjust the order of fields if needed, and then save it. You can now share the form link with your respondents. When they open it, they'll see the signature field and will be able to upload an image or file of their signature, which will be stored with their response in your Smartsheet.